Kyrgyzstan, officially the Kyrgyz Republic. It is a landlocked country in Central Asia. It has an area of 198,950 square kilometers and a population of about 6.5 million. Its capital and largest city is Bishkek. Administratively, Kyrgyzstan is divided into 7 regions that are Batken Region, Osh Region, Jalalabad Region, Narin Region, Talas Region, Issyk-Kul Region, and Chui Region. The city of Bishkek and Osh have state important status and do not belong to any regions. Kyrgyzstan is bordered by Kazakhstan to the north, Uzbekistan to the west, the People's Republic of China to the east, and Tajikistan to the south. As of 2023, Kyrgyzstan is in the stage of a proxy war with Tajikistan. The countries share a common border of about 1,000 kilometers, half of which is not demarcated. Tajikistan is demanding the return of its lands that during the Soviet Union were temporarily transferred under the administration of the Kyrgyz SSR. However, the unwillingness of the Kyrgyz side to return these lands leads to frequent conflicts. Thus, this led to violent clashes between the armies of the two countries with the use of heavy artillery in 2021 and 2022. Tajikistan managed to return part of its territories as a result of these clashes. However, both sides still cannot agree on these territories and the situation remains tense. Today, Kyrgyzstan is the poorest country in Central Asia with a relatively small GDP of only $8.5 billion and a GDP per capita of $1,182. Kyrgyz, which belongs to the Turkic language family, is the state language of Kyrgyzstan. However, the most spoken language is Russian language. Islam is the dominant religion of Kyrgyzstan.